Do you want to combine many different Microsoft Excel files into one file? To do this, most Excel users open all files manually and copy and paste them by hand. The Microsoft Excel add-in Magic Merge Manager does all that for you while you lean back. Just open the Magic Merge Manager from the Home ribbon and follow 3 simple and fast steps. First, select all the input files you want to merge. Filter them as you desire or add more. The best, you can merge any file type that Microsoft Excel can open, including text and CSV files. Next, choose a target Excel file that you want to merge all your files to. Now, press Start and let the Magic Merge Manager do its magic. It's fast, easy, and you can save a lot of time. What are you waiting for? Download and try it for free.